Give me the code. Say that much. 1, 2.
Today's class is basically going to be about trading journal. I'm going to be showing you how to journal correctly, and as well, I'm going to show you the importance of trading journal as a forex trader. Before going to that, let's analyze GPUSD and possibly use the outcome or use what we're going to analyze in this trade to do our journaling. Now, for us to analyze GPUSD, we simply want to go to the high time frame and understand the overall direction. Remember what I taught you want to go to the high time frame and understand direction. Now, for us, our high time frame is simply the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, we want to use the trend to understand where price is heading to and possibly find our way around on the lower time frame. And if we look closely here, we'll see that price is an uptrend at this point here. And when price broke out from the trend, we simply had a support key level here. So this is a support key level, and this is our resistance key level here. Basically, interested in what price is doing from this support key level to this resistance key level. And what we want to do is to understand market structure from this support key level to this resistance key level. I want to do that on the 4 hours time frame. Now, on the 4 hours time frame, we want to see what you can clearly see here is that price was simply in an uptrend at this point. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and swing low. So at this point, price was in an uptrend here. And at a point, price went into a ranging phase. But remember, we are focusing on what price is doing at the support key level and at the resistance key level. So when price was in the support key, when price was in ranging phase here, price didn't get to our resistance key level. Now, when price got to our resistance key level, what did price do? Price began to give us a lower lows and a lower high. Now, this resistance key level is the high. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. This is the lower high here. And this is the lower low. Now, because price is giving us lower lows and lower highs, what are we looking at for? We're looking at to sell from a zone. And what do we want to look at to sell from? This recent zone here. This zone here that price turned to, that our price was acting as support, and here it became a resistance. So this is where we want to focus on to know what we're going to do next. This point that where support turned to a resistance is where we want to focus on and know what to do next. And how do we know what to do next? By simply going to the 1 hour time frame and understand what price is doing at this point. Now, when price got to this our resistance this our support that turned to resistance, we are expecting to sell. The price sold for a short period of time, and buyers gained strength and broke above this resistance, giving us a break above the resistance. So this support that was meant to turn to resistance but could not hold as a resistance became a support. And we want to always do buy from support. So what do we want to do here? We're looking out to see where we can buy from by simply buying from this point and simply targeting this point here. We will put our stop loss below this point. Now, for us to confirm where we're going to put our stop loss and as well our entry, we simply want to go to the 5 minutes time frame or the 15 minutes time frame to see where we can get a possible entry and know where to place our stop loss correctly. Now, on the 15 minutes time frame here, what we can clearly see here is that price is still giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows. This is a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and this point now is the higher high. So where are we going to put our entry when price come back to this our zone here, and our stop loss simply at this zone here? Or let's just make it 25 pip stop loss here. So this is our stop loss, and our target is simply, let me do this thing very well. Our target is simply target this one, this swing lower high that price give us earlier on. So what I'm going to look at from this trade now is to simply see how we can buy from this trend, from this support level here, and target this resistance level. And the reason why I buy from this point is because price broke above, price that was still a support level that was meant to become a resistance level failed to become a resistance level, and it became a support level. Do you understand? Yes, you understand. So our entry at this point is simply for price to come back to this point here, and then we'll proceed for a buy. Now, for you to be able to generate this trade, now you simply need to understand what currency pair you're trading, what time frame do you enter from, and possibly the reason why you took the trade and the outcome. Now we have gotten almost all the information we need for us to generate this trade. I'm going to show you or explain to you what journaling is, how do you journal, when do you journal, and all of these things in this video.
A trading journal is simply a record collected from a trading setup that have met your trading criteria. Now what this means is that a trading journal is simply a set of record that you collect from a trading setup that met your trading requirements. That means for you to take journal, you simply need to have that trade or that setup must have simply met your trading strategy. And now there's a difference between a trade setup and a trading strategy. A trading strategy is what gives birth to a trading setup, and a trading setup gives birth to what? Your profit or your loss. Now the most important aspect of trading is journaling. And why it's important is because it helps you to reanalyze your trade, take the feedback, and improve your next trade. Let me recap. The importance of trading journal is for you to be able to reanalyze your trade, take the feedback, and as well improve your next trade. Now, how do you journal correctly? I'm going to be showing you how to journal correctly in this video. Now, for you to journal correctly or for you to journal the right way, you simply need to be able to provide data for these information that I've written on the board here. First, the date in which you took the trade. For instance, let's assume you took a trade today, and today is 29th of April 2024. What you simply do is to write it on your trading journal that today is what? 29th of April 2024. Now, what currency pair did you take today? Was it GBP USD? Was it Euro USD? Was it ESCHF? You simply write it here, GBP USD. What time frame did you enter from? Did you enter from a 5 minutes time frame? Did you enter from 15 minutes time frame? What do? You simply what? Write it here, 5 minutes time frame. Did you buy or did you sell? What did you sell? What did you buy? You simply what? Write it here, buy. Or let me say, because I took sell, so let me write sell. What was the take profit and what was the stop loss? What do? You simply what? Write it here, 1.5800. That's the take profit. And what was the stop loss? You simply what? Write it here, 1.5900. What lot size did you use? Did you use a new lot size, micro lot size, or a nano lot size? What do? You simply write it here. I used a new lot size of 0.10 milli lot size. Now, what was the result? You simply know I hit stop loss, I hit take profit, or I hit break even. What do? You simply write it here. I took a stop loss. Now, this last part is the part where you go back and research and know why you took the stop loss. Was it that there was an liquidity at the phone that needs to be spent before you continue your trade, or you may impatient enough for price to get to your zone before you sell, or what? So you have to identify the reason why you had this stop loss or the reason why you had the profit. So that is best for you to go back and see the reason why you had this loss. Now, this information is what is simply going to be able to allow you to journal properly, and as well take this information, reanalyze your trade, and as well take the feedback and then improve your next trade. For instance, if you are able to find the reason why you took this SL here, and on your next trade, you see that same reason why you took this stop loss, what do? You simply avoid it. Now, let's for instance, you are able to take 5 journal for the 5 trade that you took this week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You had the record of 5 trade that you took this week. What do you do on the weekend? You go back on the weekend and reanalyze this trade and then find the reason why you had this result, and then use it to improve your next trade. Now, if you don't journal, you are likely going to go into a losing streak that you don't know how to come out of it. What's a losing streak? The period where you have to just keep on taking losses, and you don't have any profits. That is best as losing streak. Now, for you to avoid the losing streak, or for you to recover from the losing streak, you simply need to have journal all of these things for you to be able to recover from the losing streak. Now, if you don't journal your trade, you won't know where to pick the problem from. You won't know where to identify the problem, and you stay there for a very long time without actually becoming considered anymore. I think this is the end of this video. If you find it very helpful, I'd like you to subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.